Hello, welcome back. So I'm gonna use those ingredients and create something new. So stay with me. Hello, my first dish will be avocado salad. For the avocado salad, I'm using 1.5 avocado. First thing you have to do, cut avocado into half, then take it out the big seed. Using your spoon, you can take it out the avocado out from the skin. This is only you can do it if you choose the right avocado, which is we need for the salad, only the soft one. It is very important you choose the right avocado, otherwise your salad won't be very tasty. So once you have that, you add everything into the big bowl. Then we also need to have red onion, which is I'm using only the half red onion. It's very important to use the red onion, then you can finely cut or chop. Once you have that, I'm also going to use 2 green chili, fresh one. You can cut half. Using your teaspoon, you can take it out all the seeds, because we don't want seeds go inside our avocado salad. Once you have that, you can finely cut. I'm also using here 1 tomato. I'm also not using seeds. Take it out the seeds like that, then cut into the small cubes. Once you all have it, I'm also using here Kapan. This is an option. It's give you a lot of salty flavor, so I like that. Once you got it, we also need, very important, we need fresh coriander, and you can cut everything, keep it together. You can cut finely, or you can just chop it. You don't want to have a big coriander pieces go inside the salad, so make sure you cut them very finely. Once you have everything, I'm gonna season this with the olive oil and salt and pepper. Then I'm also using here red chili flakes, which is, this is the option. I like to eat this one little bit spicy. This is depend on you. So next thing, the last thing, we need to have a lemon juice. Before you add the lemon juice, you can just press your lime against your cutting board, then you can cut. This way the lime juice is coming out fast. It's very easy for you to take it out the lime juice. Once you press around half lime juice, it was enough for me, 1.5 avocado. So make sure that if you like the flavor from lemon flavor, you can add a little bit more. In this point, you can mix it very smoothly. Don't mash it, your avocado, gently mix it. You can try it. If it is salt or pepper is not enough, you can add in this point. It's very important that you, once you not going to use it, cover this one and put into the fridge. It's very important you add lemon juice, otherwise avocado will get into the brown color. Once you have it, if you're not using now, in the evening or something, you can cover it, nothing will happen. Make sure you seal it very good. So I hope you like this avocado salad. So next video I'm gonna create another 2 dishes. You can see it. Thanks for watching. We see us next time.